Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have a lot of animals. They are the lot of Orbis goals. The first one is a rabbit. R is for rabbit. This is a rabbit. This is a giraffe. G is for giraffe. This is a lion king. This is a lion. This is a duck. This is a duck. This is a cow. This is a cow. This is a sheep. S is for sheep. This is a leopard.
And on his farm he had a dog. E-I-E-I-O. With a
This is a leopard. L is for leopard.
everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
This is a horse. A horse.
Old
This
MacDonald
is
had a farm.
elephant. This is elephant.
And on his farm he had some ducks.
This is a tiger.